Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to be sharing with you guys the best and proper way to exfoliate your skin. If it sounds like something you've been interested in, please continue watching, and please, even if you don't want to subscribe to my channel, do well to give this video a thumbs up. Please just like this video, because when you like my video or when you like a video on YouTube, it practically tells YouTube that this video is good and YouTube will help to promote the video and get more views. Okay, so even if you don't want to subscribe, it's okay by me. Please just give this video a thumbs up. Now let's quickly dive into this video. I just want us to talk more about exfoliating, because so many people really don't think exfoliating is that important. Okay, and even people who do know that it's very paramount, they do it in the wrong way. So I'm going to be teaching you the proper way. The way I feel is proper to exfoliate your skin and get a better result. Most of the times when you don't get results, it's probably because you are not doing it the right way. There are so many things you can use to exfoliate your skin. There are physical exfoliants and chemical exfoliants, but today we are going to be focusing on physical exfoliants. And in physical exfoliants, you can use sugar scrub, salt scrub, apricot scrub, and other scrubs to exfoliate your skin. Okay, so it's practically doing it physical, scrubbing your skin, taking rid of dead skin cells from your skin. It's just a physical process of getting rid of dead skin cells from your skin. So many people, when they go into the bedroom, the first thing they do is to scrub their skin before using their soaps or shower gels to take their shower, which is wrong. For me, I feel like it's not proper to do it that way. It's better off to shower first, use your soap and cleanse your skin first before you use your scrub to scrub your skin. Okay, because soap and scrub does two different things. Your soap or shower gel just take dirt out of your skin, but your scrub exfoliates your skin. Two different things, and this product does these things differently. So because we are focusing on getting rid of dead skin cells, it's better off to clear the dirt out of the skin first before you use your physical exfoliant to get rid of the dead skin cell on your body, thereby revealing a softer and healthier looking skin. Now, to exfoliate, you can use a sugar scrub or a salt scrub. It all depends on your skin type. If you have a very hard skin, like nothing works for you, I will advise you go for a salt scrub. But if you have a softer skin, you can go for if you have a soft skin or sensitive skin, I will advise you go for a sugar scrub. Having said that, whichever scrub you're using is okay. The next thing you'll be needing is a hand glove. Okay, you'll be needing a hand glove. Just put on your hand glove and get your scrub into your hands and start massaging into your skin. Okay, just get your hand glove. Okay, get your hand glove. It's very cheap in the market. For some people, they say the hand glove irritates their skin. If hand glove irritates your skin, you can use your bare hands. Just get your scrub on your palm and start massaging it onto your skin. Massage it properly on your skin. And please, when you're scrubbing, make sure you scrub all part of your body. And please, when you're scrubbing, make sure you focus more on the hard skin part, like the elbow, the knee, the armpit. Just focus more on those areas, and please scrub your back, scrub your butt, because some people, their butts are darker than their skin, and some people have this bumpy skin on their butt. Please scrub your butt very well. Focus on those areas. Even if hand glove irritates you, because this hand glove does wonders. Especially, I prefer hand glove when it's older. This one is very old. It's very old, and it feels better now than when I bought it new. When you buy it newly, it's kind of more harsh. It's stronger then, but when you use it for a long time, it tends to soften a bit. So this one has softened a bit. So if you have a sensitive skin that hand glove irritates your skin, you can use your hands to scrub other parts. But you see all those hard areas like the elbow, the knee, the butt, your knuckles. Okay, I would prefer, or I will advise you to use your hand glove to scrub those parts. Your armpit, use your hand glove to scrub those parts, because your bare hands cannot scrub those parts properly the way your hand glove would do. But for your other soft part, you can use your bare hands to do it. That's if you have a sensitive skin or your hand glove irritates you. But for me, I prefer using my hand glove. Okay, I prefer using my hand glove. So this is Just this is just how to do it. Make sure you scrub properly. Scrub under your armpit. Get the scrub on your palm and scrub under your armpit. Scrub properly. And once you're done scrubbing, if you're using a lightning scrub, even if not a lightning scrub, once you're done scrubbing, give it 2 to 3 minutes before you start using your soap to shower and then get out of the shower room. Once you are done with the shower, please apply your moisturizer immediately. And I will also advise you to scrub more at night or evening. You know, when you scrub and go under the sun, the dead skin cells covering your skin is out of the way. So your skin is more sensitive to the sunlight. I don't know if you understand the analogy or what I'm trying to explain here. So I will advise you scrub at night. Use your moisturizer immediately after scrubbing, because there is no oil on your skin again. So you need to moisturize, you need to grease your skin with good moisturizer. And if you have body butter, you can use your body butter. Make sure that you moisturize your skin properly after scrubbing. Okay, so this is the proper way I think this is the proper way you should scrub to get more effective results. All right, so remember, if you have a hard skin, go for salt scrub. If you have a sensitive skin, go for a sugar scrub. If you have a soft skin, go for a sugar scrub. If you have acne, do not scrub. If you don't scrub where you have acne. If you have wounds, do not scrub your body. If you have wounds on your body, do not scrub your skin, at least until the wound is healed, properly healed, before you scrub it. Okay, so make sure that you take these points, notice this point, that in fact, make sure that you follow these steps so that whenever you scrub, it will be effective and give you this fresh and smoother and healthier looking skin, because these dead skin cells makes your skin look dull and aging. It looks like you have wrinkles. But when you take these dead skin cells out of your skin, it gives you this fresh and younger skin. Okay, it gives you this fresh, brighter, and younger looking skin. Okay, I hope this video is as helpful as I want it to be. Please, if you watch to this end, you're the true MVP. Please subscribe to my channel and make sure, even if you don't want to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up. Please, thumbs up. Okay. So give us a thumbs up, leave us a comment on the comment section if you have any question or any suggestion. And this is going to be the end of this video. I'll see you guys in my next video. Before then, please stay away from trouble. Bye.